Bila Makhumalo Mseleko.
Khwela.
Ukugibela esihlahleni wenzani? Ukhwelani? Yeah.
Okay.
I don't know.
Makhwela.
What is that? Is it a word or what is this? You said a word. Is that a word?
Yeah, makhwela, a word makhwela.
Sikhweleni guys, ngisho ukuthi. Ngisho ukuthi guys ke chafa ke.
Balale radio guys. Guys, balale radio. No, she didn't.
How you said I must say the first thing that comes into my mind. Kusho ukuthi siyakhwela.
This is a gospel show. Siyakhala.
Angisho ukugibela.
Yes.
Hey.
I'm with you.
Yes.
Trust me, I'm with you.
Okay, gospel ihlanganaphi? Because ukhwela like ngikhwela emthini. Andisho.
Yo molweni namkelekile nonke kwezitshisa be-entertainment guys, andiyazi intoba uMakhumalo ukuthula, like just peace, abantu bamyeke, leave her alone, let her be. The woman is hurting, like yonke into ayithethayo has to be scrutinized for ntoni guys. So anyways, uMakhumalo recently ebene-interview phayana ke ku-True FM ebethetha ngezinto ezininzi guys, about her marriage nje, but unfortunately interviewer iye yamtwista ekugqibeleni of the interview, towards the end of the interview wambuza ngezinto ezifani. For example, le clip endinifakele yona and embuza ngewords zomakhwela and khwela, trying to provoke her, and uyambona intoba she does not want to talk about uMakhwela guys, but abantu are coming for her on TikTok. But guys, Bachok Makhumalo, there is no need to disrespect uMakhwela because uMakhwela akamenzanga. Next, Makhwela did nothing to you, Makhumalo. Gokhona ke nomnye othi, when Umayeni said people act different off the camera, I didn't get it, but now I do. And then of course gokhona abati, guys, if uMakhumalo ebengafuni ukuthetha ngale topic, she's a very smart woman. Okay, so a simple I'd appreciate if we don't talk about that would have worked. Hi indoba uzo disrespect her uMakhwela. Now ndiye ndabona guys on Instagram utata wenu uMusa Mseleko naye posted wathi, I have listened to your interview. Uphelele apho ke guys. Now andazi ba abantu banga interpreta kanjani lento ethethwa ngutata uMseleko, but from my point it's almost as if uthi ndibonile uthetha phayana ngoSamke in a very disrespectful way. And I'm noting everything oyithethileyo about my wife. Sayazi everything currently happening between Makhumalo Samke and Utata Musa Mseleko. If you are a follower or a viewer of Uthando Lesimbi, you know exactly about what is currently happening, guys. So abantu abaninzi are just not happy about the fact that uyawayoyibhala lonto ku Instagram instead of athathe ifoni afonele uMakhumalo. Abantu bayabuza, are you still blocked from Makhumalo's phone? Because you could have just literally picked up a phone and called her. Not unless, of course, uzakblokile uMakhumalo. But this is so unnecessary for wena indoba uzobhala apha ku Instagram indoba, I have seen your interview. Njani bhuti? Anyways, ndiye ndabona ke uMakhwela last week kudlala ishow ebepostile ke guys uthi for each and every inconvenience yena ucingana ne-wines. Andazi ke because utata uMseleko akafuni nokumbona umuntu oselayo, but ke ureacte kanjalo ke kwi last 2 episodes of last week. Guys, let me hear from you indoba, what are your thoughts kule nto enzakalayo between Makhe and utata uMseleko, and zonbona shortly. Bye guys.